Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we look at the 306012 gigabyte versus the new 9070 Sapphire AMD graphics card. Yes, and the 3060, well, that lasted me 4 years. I had two of them. The first one started overheating because of a thermal paste fault, and they sent me a brand new one, and it did the same thing, and it's heating up. And so the recent tests I had to do were at 97%. I am looking to fix that one up and maybe do some more testing on it. But in the meantime, yes, 67% power on the 3060 gigabyte and 100% power. And 100% power is actually 240 watts on this pure Sapphire 9070 non-XT graphics card. So it's a bit more power than most of the other ones. Most of the other ones are at 220 watts board power. All right, and the most recent version of AMD Adrenalin software is horrible, real buggy, and causing stuttering mess in games. Especially Shadow of the Tomb Raider was a mess. I went back to the earliest driver, and what do you know? Zero stutters. So, yeah. So just don't even try that one. And I've got the versions here. So, sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. And don't forget, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of graphics card you'd like to get. And give me some ideas on what I should test, what games I should test. That'd be great. All right. Don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.